Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Modelones have very kindly sent me two amazing looking gel polish sets. In the last video I swatched and reviewed Santa's Day. In this video I'll be swatching the second set called Glitter Party. In the description box you'll find the links to Modelones' website, and they have very kindly given me a 10% discount code which is also there too. So a big thank you to Modelones for sending me these beautiful looking sets. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. So as with the Smoothie collection and Santa's Day collection that I've swatched, Glitter Party is also in the amazing gift box. As with the others, there is an information sticker on the back which tells you which collection it is. They're also UV and LED curable, easy application and soak off. They're also 10ml bottles, of which there is 7 of them. Inside the box there is also information leaflet. As I've said in the other videos, these sets have such unique bottles. They have labels on their bottoms as well as colour picture and names on the side of the gel polish bottles. So the first gel polish is Magic Blue, and this is a fantastic deep blue shimmery gel polish. It sort of reminds me of the platinum gels. It's going to be a beautiful colour to use in winter manis like snowflakes. I'll definitely be making some winter manis using Magic Blue. Next we have Diamond Rain, and this is a gorgeous silver glitter gel polish. I wouldn't say it's like the platinum ones, but it is a very packed fine glitter gel polish. I think this will be great for New Year's manis. Next we have Golden High Heel, and this is a beautiful bright gold gel polish. It also has some small silver glitter as well. I didn't actually see this until I did a real close-up. Golden High Heel is going to be fabulous for festive manis, and it's going to work really well next to a bright red. Next we have Glitter Night, and this is a purple based, what I would call multi-cut glitter gel, and the glitter is hollow. Now I'm not 100% keen on this one. It's a little bit on the thick side and it's quite chunky looking, but we shall see what it's like once we get into the swatches. Next we have Purple Ring, and this is a beautiful purpley silver shimmer gel polish, again like the platinum gel polishes. I'm really excited to see what this one looks like on a full nail. This could be a new favourite for me. Next we have Pinky Drink, and this is, I want to call it a berry colour, sort of like a raspberry berry colour glitter gel polish. The glitter looks to be gold and pink, which looks amazing. This is going to be another brilliant colour for autumn and winter manis. And finally we have Shiny Pearl, and this is a beautiful, I want to call it rose gold, but it's a very pale soft rose gold. It's again a shimmery gel polish like the platinums. I'm so excited for this gel polish, it looks stunning. So I'll begin with Magic Blue and I'll apply my first coat. I'll cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. I'll then apply my second layer and I'll cure that. I will top coat all the swatches at the end using a no wipe top coat and a matte no wipe top coat. I however won't be doing it on camera as it makes my videos a little bit on the long side. I've also applied all the gel polishes to my nails as well, and I've also done some stamping over them just to show you what they look like with added nail art. Magic Blue in 2 coats looks amazing. It's so twinkly under my lights. It looks brilliant. It's going to be very popular. So on my nails I've done the swatches slightly different. The thumb is 3 coats. It's so not needed. Over the ring finger, I've applied it over Blueberry from the Smoothie collection, which is a dark blue. It was just one coat of each, and then the rest are 2 coats. This is just to show how they look applied in different ways. I just like to see them used over colours and how they build up in layers. But whether you go for matte or glossy, it looks amazing, and 2 coats is really all you need. So I've added some stamping over the top, and I did go for some snowflakes. The stamping plate will be featured in another video, but the snowflakes in a pearl white over magic blue looks absolutely fabulous. Next is Diamond Rain, and I'm just going to repeat the same again. Now, I don't have very many glitter gel polishes in my collection, so I'm excited to add these to my collection and to see what else I can do with them. I might even add them to my swatching box. I also want to try a glitter fade with Diamond Rain. I don't think I've ever done it with a super fine packed glitter before, so it's going to be interesting. But 2 coats really is just so sparkly and simply gorgeous. So the swatch on my nails are all 2 coats. Now you could apply Diamond Rain over the top of a plain silver. Unfortunately, I don't have a plain silver, but again, it looks amazing glossy. But I would also wear it matte as well. It really looks different, but really interesting. So for the mani, I went with something a little different. The stamping plate will be featured in another video. But I just added some stamping polished dots of colour, just to add some bright colour to it. And I love how this has turned out. It's a fab Christmas mani. Next is Golden High Heels. So you will notice when I apply this and Diamond Rain that I've applied it slightly different than normal gel polish. I sort of use a dabbing, pulling, pushing motion, which I find helps me get a really nice coverage for the first layer. I'll then go in with the next layer as sort of a normal layer. Again, you could add this over a gold. I also want to see what this looks like over the red, more as a glitter fade. There are quite a lot of things that I want to try with these gel polishes, so it's going to be interesting. So the swatches on my nails are just 2 coats, apart from the ring finger. That is just 1 coat. And to be honest, it looked really good with just 1 coat. It wasn't a complete full coverage, but to be honest, it didn't matter. And again, it works matte or glossy. So for the mani, I found it quite hard to find a colour that would work, so I just went with black. Now with this design, you could fill in the stockings and presents in with colour to sort of bring them out. I really like this gold, and I'm not a huge fan of bright golds either. Next is Glitter Night. Now I found this wasn't one of the easiest glitter gel polishes to get a good first coat coverage, but it does build up nicely. For me, I wouldn't add any more than 2 coats because it could create quite a bulky nail. I will also make sure that any of the large hollow bits of glitter are nicely spaced out over the nail. One thing I will say is that I did find when applying this to my nail that I did have the odd bit of glitter sticking up here and there, so I have to make sure that it's laying nice and flat. So the swatches on my nails are 2 coats. Apart from the ring finger, I've applied 1 coat of Glitter Night over the top of Purple Ring, which I will show you next. And I will say that I actually prefer it over a colour than building it up, but that's just me though. I have to say it looks very strange but very cool matte. For the mani, I again went with some snowflakes. I didn't really know what I wanted to do because I didn't want to take too much away from that glitter gel polish, but I do really like this mani though. Next we have Purple Ring. These shimmery platinum style gel polishes are super popular on social media, and they are really easy to apply, and just on their own they really do make an amazing looking nail. To give Purple Rain even more, you could add some raw glitter or angel paper. Now I do want to have a play around with stamping polishes, as at the moment I can only think that a black, pearl white and a white would probably work the best. But 2 coats looks fabulous, and I absolutely love it matte. It has a very frosty looking effect to it. I love turning shimmery gel polishes matte. It's one of my favourite things to do, because it just gives them a whole new different look. Now I will say I could have almost done 1 coat of this. It was extremely good on the coverage. I really did like it. So the mani, I went with a pearl white, which over Purple Ring has really brought out the silver side of the pearl white. I do wonder if I should have double stamped and added a black over the top. I definitely want to try that next time I use Purple Ring, but it is stunning though. Next we have Pinky Drink. Now the first coat of this does have quite a sheer look to it, but it does build up really nicely in a couple of coats. Again, just like the Smoothie collection and Santa's Day collection, I've had 0 curing issues. I do like to cure glitter gels slightly longer because of the glitter inside the gel. I just want to make sure they're fully cured. I've also had no heat spikes. I'm really excited to add these to my collection, and I'm sure they're going to get plenty of use over the festive winter season. So for the swatches on my nails, they are all 2 coats apart from the ring finger. I've added a layer of Pinky Drink over the top of Cherry from the Smoothie collection. For me, I'm not a fan of being able to see light through the free edge nail, so this is something that I would probably do just to give it full coverage, but that's just me. 2 coats really does look really nice, and it also looks amazing matte as well. So for the mani, I thought I was originally going to use a pearl white. At the last minute I changed my mind and I went for a soft gold stamping polish instead, and it works so well over the top of Pinky Drink. I really do like how this has turned out. I think it looks brilliant. Next we have Shiny Pearl. I do see this colour being extremely popular. Rose gold types of colours generally are. I don't think I have many, if any, in my whole collection. Again, this is another colour I want to have a play around with stamping polish colours over the top of it. But I also see this being very popular as bridal nails. But all of these colours are going to be great for all year round to add a bit of sparkle to jazz up a mani. It's another gel polish I want to try adding some raw glitter to as well. I think I have one that will work. So for the swatches on my nails, they are all 2 coats. Unlike Purple Ring, I couldn't get away with just 1 coat. It didn't look right. But 2 full coats of Shiny Pearl is beautiful, and I absolutely love it matte as well. So for the mani, I just had a very dark brown arrive. It was the dark brown for Santa's Mousse, and I thought it might work well with Shiny Pearl, and it does. I think it looks amazing, but I also want to try a red as well at some point. This is a very unusual mani for me, but I absolutely love it. Glitter Party has been amazing to work with, so easy to apply, and the glitter effects just look stunning. This collection will have you covered for adding glitter nails to your manis. I've loved using Glitter Party just as much as Santa's Day. They are 2 collections well worth purchasing. I know my swatches have been a little unusual with the different numbers of coats that I've used. I just like to show things in a different way and adding them over different colours and things like that. It's just something I like to see, and I thought I would share this with you as well. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Model 1's Glitter Party gel polish set. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.